Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on the channel. Now today we're going to go over export settings with Adobe Premiere Pro, so stay tuned. Hey guys, my name is Jack.F, I'm a freelance videographer, photographer and video editor. Got it again that time, I'm in a little streak in these videos. Anyway, so export settings in Adobe Premiere Pro is pretty simple. It can be a little confusing if you're new to Adobe Premiere Pro, but don't worry, I've got you covered. So I'll jump straight into Adobe Premiere Pro and I'll show you what to do. So once we're in, I've got my footage here from a short film that I'm working on. It's looking pretty good. So say I want to export this, set our in and out points. Hit Control M and it's going to bring up the export menu. Control M on the keyboard, I don't know what it is for Macs, I think you just change the control to like Alt or something like that. So once we're here, format. If you're doing video, always leave it H.264. This is the video setting. So if you're exporting video, put in H.264, and if you're doing a MP3, just click MP3 and then you're ready. So you can literally just hit export then, but with H.264 it's a little bit more complicated. So hit H.264, make sure you can change the name here to change it to anything. We're not going to do that. And make sure that tick export video and export audio if you're exporting the entire thing. Now video, this is where I want to pay attention. Hit render at maximum depth so we get that quality, and use maximum render quality so we're really getting the full amount of it. Hardware encoding, leave it at that. Pretty simple. VBR1 pass, leave it at that. I don't know what the other one is, I just leave it at that one. Target bit rate, never go below 10. If you go below 10, I mean you could go below 10 but then it really shrinks down file size, but just leave it around 10 to 20 is what I do. And apart from that, we're ready to export. So H.264, make sure these two are selected. Make sure it's a render at maximum depth, maximum render quality, export. And then once you've done, a little menu will pop up rendering the audio and then export the actual video itself. So anyway guys, I hope you like that video. That's just a quick tutorial on how to export in Adobe Premiere Pro. It's a little bit confusing at the start, but once you get there you understand. I've also gone over this in my overview of the beginner's guide to Adobe Premiere Pro, not with it today, of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you want to see that, click up there. And if not, just subscribe to the channel. If you like what you see here, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.